Okay, fam, welcome. So in this video, we are going to be going through the process of making sure that Facebook is tracking our data from our advertorial. Okay, so basically, so for this process, what you have to do is you have to come to your business manager, to your ad account. Okay, so once you're here on your business manager, you're going to be coming in this section in the left where it says Events Manager. Okay, this is the first step on this process. And then here, you're going to be coming to Data Sets. Click on Data Sets. And then you are going to be making sure that you are selecting the pixel of your store. Okay, so for example, in this case, this is the example, this is our pixel, right? So, oh, no, this is the pixel that we're using in this store. So just make sure that you are using the right pixel of your store, okay? So then here, you're gonna be coming into these sections that it says add events, okay? So click on add events, and then you are gonna be setting a new integration, okay? This is the option that you want to choose. Click and set up the new integration. So then here, you're gonna be setting up the meta pixel, okay? Click on the meta pixel, and then you are going to be clicking where it says setup. So now that you're here, so you are going to be doing this manually. Okay, so this is the way that you want to do. Manually add code to your website. So just click there, okay? And then you're going to have this page. In this page, so this is the code that you need. So we are going to be copying this code. Once it's copied, so we are going to go back to our Lovable page, okay? So make sure that you are in the right Lovable page. So I'd like to refresh here first, okay? So remember, this is the page that we create, okay, the advertorial. So it's ready to go, everything is good, it's fresh because we just refresh. Okay, sometimes Lovable happens that you need to refresh if you have kind of like a couple of minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or maybe you just leave it open the day before and then you are trying to do this today. So you want to refresh, okay? So once you refresh, you're gonna be coming into this section here that it says code, like this symbol. Okay, you want to click there. And then right here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down until you find the index HTML. Okay, this is the section that you want to click on. Click there, and then you're going to have a view similar to this. So maybe yours looks a little bit different. Okay, so that's normal. That's okay. So, but what you want to make sure is that you are locating the second head text here. So you see, you have one head that opens here, and then you have the other head that closes here. So you want to find the last one, okay? And then you want to locate here into the previous line, and what you're going to do is you're going to just click enter at the end of the code here, okay? And then you're gonna just paste the code there, okay? So it's going to look like this. So once you have the code pasted there, so you see that this code is the one that is going to be tracking the events, you know, like basically the whoever goes or people that go from your ad to your lander. So it's going to be recognized by Meta. So which is important to improve the actual performance of the campaigns. So we have it like that. So then once we have the code just right there, okay, we're gonna click save. Well, this is kind of like a showing me an error here. So when you have something like this happens sometimes, so it's good to happen. So when this happens, so just you need to click what it says try to fix. So remember, so Lobel, it has enough data, enough functionality for make sure that everything is working good. So we are gonna just click what it says try to fix. Okay, so now it's fixing the error here. Perfect. So it says remove the duplicate non-script pixel that from head to one body. Okay, so it makes this modification here. So I still see this, right? So this highlightly don't happen to you guys, but it's good to happen here just in case if you are setting this and you have this error. So don't worry. You know, like basically you can have Lovable to fix it too. So then I'm going to just wait until it's loading the preview. And when I have the full preview, so if I don't see this getting on the right shape, okay, so in the right format, so then we need to check if there is something else that we need to do, of course. But one thing that I like to do from here when I have already the preview ready to go here, so I'm going to refresh this, okay. Okay, so then here I'm going to go back to the code. I'm going to go back to the HTML index HTML. And then here is the code. So here is the code from Meta. So we good now, okay? So this is basically the process, guys. And now one thing that you'll want to do is you want to make sure that you have your Metapixel helper installed on your computer. So how you do that? Basically, you go just to Google Metapixel helper. Okay, this is just for confirmation. You can use this tool for validate or and confirm that your pixel is set up correctly. So you go to the Chrome Web Store option, and then you make sure that you are installing this into your Chrome. So once you have the extension ready and install it or upload it into your Chrome, so you're going to be clicking here, and then you're going to be looking for the Metapixel helper and make sure that you pin this. Okay, so it's already pinned. So I'm seeing it here. So what I have to do is just go back here into this button. I have the publish button here. So I click there. So I copy the actual domain, okay, of my landing page. And then I paste the domain here, and then I open. So now what I'm looking for here is making sure that my pixel is working, okay? So this is kind of like a show. Oh, something important, okay? So as you see here, I make those changes, okay? This is important too. So you want to make sure when you hit publish here, you want to update, okay? Because basically the actual landing that is ready already published is basically the previous one, okay? So if I make any change to my landing, either if you are doing like a visual change here on your landing page, or if you are making change in the code, you want to make sure that after the change, okay, you update the landing page. So I'm gonna be updating here. Okay, this should be almost ready. Okay, perfect. It's up to date or is update ready, already updated. So perfect. So now I'm going to click on this again, or I just can come here to the previous one and refresh. Okay. So now here you see the pixel helper working, you see? So now when I click here, so I see that the pixel is working with the page view, okay? So I now know that the pixel is connected to my landing page, okay? And I know that every single customer that come here is going to be recorded into my tracking. So that's the step, guys. This is what you want to do. So just make sure that everything is connected also in the tracking, and then you should be good. So now, guys, you have your landing page ready for you to start running ads on it.